How to sign in to Capcut. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, launch the Capcut application and make sure that your Capcut is updated to its latest version. As soon as you open up, you will get this interface which will ask you to log in into your Capcut account. Now, you can either log in with your TikTok account or you can sign in with Google, you can sign in with email or with your Facebook account. Here, I will go with my Google account. You can also go with your email, Facebook, or TikTok. Now, to log in with your email account, simply tap on sign in with email. And after that, enter your valid email address. And under that, enter your password that you have created while creating a new account in the CapCut. In case you forgot your password, there is a link right under continue button that says forgot password. Tap on there, follow some screen instructions, and that's going to help you recover your password. If you don't have an account yet, you can also sign up by tapping on the sign up link from the bottom of this interface. Follow some instructions again and create a new account. After that, you can log in with your login information. Once you're done typing in your email and password, now tap on this continue button. Then on the next page, you will be logged in directly to your CapCut account if you have entered the correct login information. And that's how you can simply log in into CapCut. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.